Trilobites were an extremely successful class of marine arthropods that first appeared in the early Cambrian period and completely disappeared in the Permian mass extinction. They are remarkable for their representation in the fossil record, their diversity, and their success early in the period of animal evolution. Trilobites first appeared in the oceans approximately 550 million years ago, in a time that is commonly referred to as the Cambrian explosion. Before the age of fishes and terrestrial life, trilobites achieved a high level of functional complexity. The apotheosis of their complexity was their eyes, which were the first case of optics coupled with sensory perception. These creatures were essentially the first highly organized animals to populate the seas. Trilobites appear remarkably similar to modern horseshoe crabs. Generally 2 to 7 centimeters long, trilobites had an exoskeleton and a primitive form of tagmosis that divided their body into a cephalon, thorax, and pygmeum. The cephalon is the most characteristic part of trilobite morphology. The name of the trilobites is derived from the longitudinal separation of the plural lobes into 3 lobes. In their life, 3 major periods of growth are recognized in trilobites: the protapsid, meraspid, and holaspid periods. The growth of trilobites is marked by the necessity of molting every so often in order to bypass their exoskeleton. The trilobites were around for 350 million years. During that time, numerous different species evolved and became extinct. Nearly all died during the Devonian period, yet some remained until the Permian extinction. Due to their mineralized exoskeleton, fossils of trilobites are quite common. Through the genera of trilobite present in sedimentary rock, stratigraphers are able to use their fossils as indicators of geologic time. These remarkable creatures and their fossils tell us much about early life, evolution, and past geologic periods.